Video topic is Beginning of Ram Rajya, Infinite Supreme Peace. These are highlights of the conversation between Bapuji and Anant Bhai on establishing Ram Mandir at Ayodhya. Bapuji says Ram Mandir is a symbol of the rise and re-establishing of Sanatan Dharma, the eternal religion. Ram is the symbol of Adi Sanatan Devi Devta Dharma. Souls even from Bhuvarlok like Gandharv, Yaksh and Kinnars are coming on earth. They are playing their trumpets in the subtle world in joy and happiness because temple for Lord Ram is being established in Bharat. Bapuji continues and says, I will tell who are coming in the Pran Pratishtha day, on the day when conscious life force will be infused into the idol of Lord Ram. I will tell from which subtle realms who all will come. On January 22nd from Sakat Lok, the higher dimension of Vishnu Puri, where 14 degrees celestial power Lord Shri Ram's subtle form is there, one of his subtle form will enter the idol to be established. Not only Lord Ram but Lord Lakshman and Mother Janki will also come. To which Anant Bhai asks, how will people get benefited? Bapuji says, real Ram Rajya will come only when the people on earth stop destruction and prevent Third World War to occur. Anant Bhai greets Bapuji by saying Param Shanti. Bapuji responds Param Shanti, Param Shanti. Anant Bhai continues, welcome you all to Bapuji Dashrath Bhai Patel YouTube channel, and we are going to ask a great question to Bapuji on Ram Mandir. So Bapuji, we want to know about the Ram Mandir's Pran Pratishtha which will happen on January 22nd, 2024. Can you tell us how did the atmosphere change so suddenly? How people are suddenly filled with so much joy and in devotion for Lord Ram? Bapuji says, see, the atmosphere slowly began to change. The beginning of change is actually souls from the subtle realms are coming from the higher dimensions. I have already told in my previous videos that many powerful souls of Sanatan Dharma from the Himalayas who are highly tapasvi are coming for past 1 to 2 years. Regarding Ram Mandir, Ram is a symbol of Adi Sanatan Devi Devta Dharma. So many souls from subtle realms have come to help the souls in Bharat who wanted to build and establish the temple for Lord Ram. There are many souls throughout the world who oppose Lord Ram, and amongst all this, to build the temple for Lord Ram was impossible for human beings. So in the beginnings, many powerful souls from the subtle realms who remain in solitude have come from the Himalayas and helped those who are true Sanatani and helped in making the atmosphere conducive. From the past 2 to 3 months, the atmosphere has become conducive and souls from the higher dimensions above earth, including Gandharvas, Kinnars and Yakshas from Bhuvarlok are blowing their trumpets in joy and happiness for the construction of Lord Ram's temple. How much time has passed since Ram Avatar came? It happened in Treta's end. Dwapar happened and Kali Yug's 5,000 years got over, so it has been 8,69,000 years since Lord Ram ruled on earth for 12,000 years at the end of Treta Yuga. Anant Bhai asks, during Pran Pratishtha, what will happen? Bapuji says, now I will tell who all will come during the Pran Pratishtha from different lokas. 7 lokas like Brahmpuri, Vishnupuri, Shivpuri, Paramdham. Even demons will also come to put bones in the sacred Havan ceremony. Now all those who have been a part in establishing the Ram Mandir being constructed, be it in Supreme Court, they all are asuras or demons. It has been 8,69,000 years since Ram Avatar passed. During Lord Ram's time, there were only 2 types of people, Shivpanthi and Vaishnavpanthi. There were not many religions. It is only from 3,900 years ago that Abraham came and Abrahamic religion started to spread. So now souls from Swargloka, some who are in subtle and some in physical forms, are also coming for Pran Pratishta of Ram Mandir. There are very great sages and Maharishis in Maharloka who are very happy with this upcoming event, that they are imparting whatever knowledge of Sanatan Dharma is spreading presently. They are also coming down on earth on this day. There are even souls in the Janloka, Taploka, Satyaloka, Brahmpuri, Vishnupuri and Shivpuri. They all are slowly coming down on this day. Lord Ram is in Saket Loka, the higher dimension in Vishnupuri, and Lord Krishna is there in Goloka. There is a 14-degree celestial power subtle form of Lord Ram in Saket Loka in Vishnupuri. On this day, one form from this 14-degree celestial power subtle form will come and enter the idol of Lord Rama on the Pran Pratishta day. This idol will then become conscious, which means alive. Lord Lakshman and Mother Janki will also come. Even Lord Lakshman is there in the subtle realm, and he says that I am Lord Rama's shadow. Wherever Lord Rama goes, I will also go. Even Bharat and Shatrughan are also there in the subtle realms, and they will also come down on that day. Now this day will be different from the time when Lord Ram ruled on earth at the end of Treta Yuga. Lord Ram ruled for 12,000 years. Anant Bhai asks, what will benefit be for people from all this? Bapuji continues, on doing this, people will have a good feeling for Sanatan Dharma, and in the name of Ram, Adi Sanatan Devi Devta Dharma will be established on earth. And when Lord Krishna came on earth, many Gopikas had come from the higher dimensions like Vishnupuri. Now not just Bharat, Bapuji continues to say Vasudev Kutumbakam, which means good for all on the entire earth. The good and powerful souls will change the atmosphere, which will have an impact on the souls who oppose Lord Ram. And I have already spoken about negative souls in my earlier videos on Bhoot, Pret or Ghosh. There are so many negative souls in different religions who want Third World War on earth. Also, I have told that the entire solar system is filled with aliens who have come from distant galaxies and universes. Now these negative aliens in the subtle form will use their powers and send their forms on earth, then Third World War is bound to happen. Now temporarily the Ram Rajya is being established, but in the future the Third World War is bound to happen. To stop them is very difficult, almost impossible. Only high quality souls, Behad souls can stop. Anant Bhai asked, Bapuji, as Lord Rama had killed demon Ravan, just like that, cannot demons like Ravan be killed now? To which Bapuji says, there are many souls of Sanatan Dharma in Shivpuri, where Adi Shiv Shakti are there, and even in Paramdham as well. There are many souls in incorporeal form who will come down. All have to get Brahm Gyan, whether be it in incorporeal, subtle or physical form of self, and the beginning, middle and end of this creation. One must know that I am a soul, that this body is different and this mortal world is different. One must know that there are good souls living in the subtle higher realms and demons living in the lower realms. Just like in Mahabharata, to help Duryodhan and Dushashan, demon souls had come. Why did Lord Krishna give the 18 Shukni Sena to Duryodhan? That was because all those in that army were demons and they were all killed. Does anyone give his army to his adversary? Just think. Now the same demons are there right in the present time on earth. Gandharv, Kinnars, Yaksh, they are coming from higher dimensions. Even here also Asuras are there. Understand that demons or Asurs used to oppose Lord Vishnu. Now Lord Krishna and Lord Ram were avatars of Lord Vishnu. So whoever opposes Lord Ram or Lord Krishna, like Duryodhan, Dushasana type of souls, wherever they are Countless asuras, demons, had filled 7 Patal Lokas. Asur, Mahasur, some are in human form and some are in subtle form. Anant Bhaiji adds on, during Lord Rama's time, gods and goddesses had come down in the form of monkeys or vanars, to which Bapuji says some were in subtle and some in physical form as human beings. After Rama Avatar, they have gone to the higher dimensions like Maharloka, Taploka. Anand Bhai asked Bapuji, so now Bapuji, all the devotees of Lord Ram, what can they do together so that the atmosphere can change? Bapuji says, those powerful souls who have come from above have come for a temporary period of time and will go up. Anant Bhai says, then what is the profit of this? Then Bapuji continues, this is just temporary profit. Bapuji says everyone has to awaken and everyone has to be pulled from above. Even in Sanatan Dharma, there are souls who fight amongst themselves. Bapuji says that everyone should become one in the name of the Lord Ram and fight against the evil. Bapuji continues to say how super fast the atmosphere has to change the entire earth. So now everyone must sit in the state of soul conscious and tell themselves that I am a soul. Remember the Almighty, get the power, charge their souls and spread the Param light and the vibrations of Param Shanti. When the vibrations of Param Shanti spread, even Asur will become Sur. The atmosphere will change not only on earth but also on higher dimension like Bhuvarlok, Maharlok, Swarglok. In higher dimension, whoever are sitting like Bhoot, Pret, demon, tradition, all will change. We need to change the complete atmosphere of earth. The real Ram Rajya will happen when the Third World War is stopped. Otherwise, if that happens, then the game is over. I have told about this in detail in Mahakal Pralaya videos part 1 and part 2. Now, if in real we want Ram Rajya, one must take the knowledge of soul, become soul conscious, know the truth and supreme truth that God is one, truth is one, and realize that one. Take power from the one. There is no other way. First subject is knowledge, second is yoga, that is meditation. With whom should one do yoga? With the Almighty. Now it's not just the solar system or universe, but the multiverse will be transformed. Either Mahakal Agni or Param Shanti. So everyone should be awake and make Vasudev Kutumbakam. Even Asur should become Sur after the Pran Pratishtha of Ram Mandir. Good souls will go up and demons will remain here as they cannot go up. To which Anant Bhai says, they should be sent to Patal Lok. Bapuji laughs and says, these souls have to be given mukti because demons like Duryodhan and Dushashan will again be born and will speak badly about Krishna because they were big enemies of Lord Vishnu. Bapuji says we will try that some good souls will temporarily stay on earth and help us because souls of Sanatan Dharma are very peaceful. Bapuji says one must take the supreme knowledge, become soul conscious, take the Param light, spread the vibrations of Param Shanti and make others peaceful. Then negative souls will become positive. This will happen. Anant Bhai says, Bapuji has given very good information, felt very nice. Like this, we have many more videos in our YouTube channel, Bapuji Dashrath Bhai Patel channel. Please join us. There are more than 650 lakh subscribers. I take daily meditations from 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. And if you want to do in the morning, then join Param Shanti Motivation and Meditation channel by Sakshi at 5:30 a.m. to 6:30 a.m. Like them, there are more videos of Bapuji on Mahakal Pralaya part 1 and 2. Bhoot Pret, Tantra Mantra videos are also. Please listen, you will find answers to all your spiritual quest. Anant Bhai further continues, we have very nice video. There are more than 3,500 videos. If you like the videos, do subscribe to our channel and like and share the videos. Bapuji adds on to say, I have one more thing to tell the children, that those who are true Sanatanis, who are in either physical or subtle form, even though they are in different religions, if they follow either Lord Ram, Lord Krishna, Shiv, Mother Jagdamba, worship different Devi Devtas or worship their ancestors, they are high quality souls. They will not come in anybody's words or believe and deviate. They are very high quality souls and they will definitely pick knowledge, and I have full faith in this. In the future, the 5 elements will give a lot of pain, either in the form of natural calamities, wars. Almighty has temporarily stopped the Third World War, or else the Third World War would have happened during 1976, 1986, 1996, 2000, 2012. Till now, they have been saying the same thing. In 3 days, the Parmanu bomb, nuclear bomb will explode. Nobody will be there to pick the dead bodies, and the ocean will take all of them. We have to change the negative souls to positive, or else they will do the Third World War. Bapuji says, Almighty Authority through infinite Param Shanti vibrations wants a positive transformation, and that no destruction should happen, and all this will happen. Anant Bhai says, do see our video Mahakal Pralaya Part 1 and 2, and also see for the beginners playlist and Unspoken Truth by Bapuji. Anant Bhai concludes by saying, thank you Bapuji, thank you for this wonderful knowledge, Param Pujya Bapuji. Infinite Supreme Peace, Behad Ki Param Shanti.
Join us daily for our morning live meditation, Monday to Saturday, 5:30 to 6:30 a.m.
Join us daily for live meditation, 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. on YouTube Live. Subscribe now. Website www.paramshanti.org. Email us anant@paramshanti.org. Like, share, subscribe. Join today.
बेहद की परम शांति सो